Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Smash Fest go from fun and satisfying to completely impossible around level 250 or beyond, with obstacles stacked from so deep that nothing you do seems to break them? Here's what's happening and what actually helps. This difficulty spike is a deliberate design choice in the games like Smash Fest. Obstacle destiny increases sharply at certain checkpoints to encourage coin spending on extra moves or to push for no ad purchase. It isn't a bug, but there is a legitimate in-game strategies that help to get past these walls. First, for the chain reactions rather than direct hits. Angle your shots to hit lighter jars first, since their explosion effects carries extra force into heavier stones behind them. Second, wait for the physics to fully settle between shots before firing again, since firing too fast misses the chain effect bonus. Third, if you're running out of moves on a specific level, use your coins on extra moves only on the levels where you can clearly see a few remaining pieces. Do not spend on levels that are densely packed. Update Smash Fist from App Store too, since recent app updates have added balancing adjustment. So all you've got to do is aim for chains that and let physics settle between thoughts. Spend coins only when nearly done and update the app for latest balance, and that's it. Subscribe.